Good morning, children. So, we were studying chapter number 4, the Great Indian Desert. Okay, and we have studied a lot of things about this chapter, that the Great Indian Desert is located in Rajasthan, most of the part. Okay, some part is in Pakistan and some is in Gujarat also. So, now what we have learned about in this chapter up to now is that about the location. Okay, where it is located, and I have told you the 4 places it is bounded of: the Satluj River Basin, the Run of Kutch, the Aravalli Hills, and the Indus River Basin. Up then we move about the climate, and I told you that it is extremely hot in summers and extremely cold at winter nights. Then we talk about the landforms, and we have discussed the fact file about the cold desert. And here now one topic is remaining in landform is oasis. Okay, what is oasis? So have a look here. Oasis or oases, which is the plural form. Singular and plural, you know ना, one and many. ये एक को बोलते हैं, ये many को बोलते हैं. तो this is oasis and these is oases. Okay. So some places on desert, underground water comes to the surface. These places are called oases. Okay, there are some places in the desert where water come up, ground के ऊपर water आ जाता है, and that places are called oases. Okay students, oases have little vegetation also, and these vegetations are date palms, kikar, babool, and some other shrubs. So I'll show you one more picture. See, this is the picture of an oasis in desert. You can see sand around this place. This wall is sand, and in the sand we have water. And so you can see little vegetation is also there. यहाँ पे plants भी हैं, एक दो house भी हैं. क्यों? Because water is available, and this water is fresh and clean. See, this what we call this date palm tree. Date palm आप जानते हैं, खजूर को बोलते हैं. We call it खजूर. Okay, this is a date palm tree, and this is what an oasis, और ये one है तो oasis, many होंगे then oases, where water is available in desert. So sometimes water come up. Okay, पानी ऊपर आ जाता है desert के land पे. You can see it is a type of pond in desert. ये एक pond है desert में. Okay, so this is an oasis. So let's learn our new topic. It's about the vegetation. Okay, so if we talk about the vegetation, then there is very less vegetation. Why there is very less vegetation? Because there is very less water also. अब पानी कम है तो पौधे भी कम उगेंगे, और ज़्यादातर there are most of the species in the desert are of cactus. Okay, there are different kind of cactus we can find in desert area, and some of the cactus family members also, अलग अलग टाइप के cactus के plants हमको देखने को मिलेंगे. Okay, and there are some shrubs, bushes, and date palms. Okay, so why there is very less plants in desert? Because water is available very less. When rain comes there, when there is rains, the whole water go in ground, and plants are not able to absorb the water because there is sandy soil. So that is why cactus and the most of the thorny plants which have their deep roots, जिनकी roots बहुत नीचे तक होती है, वही plants वहाँ पर grow कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि water बहुत नीचे होता है और ground और easily available भी नहीं होता. So this is all about the vegetation, that less vegetation because of less water. Only cactus, thorny shrubs, bushes, and date palms are grown there. Now we will talk about the life in the desert region. Okay, so you can see these two women. This is basically the traditional wear of Rajasthan. Okay, so if we talk about Rajasthan, because most of the Thar desert covered the part of Rajasthan. See, okay, you can also see that this is the Thar desert. It mostly covers the part of Rajasthan. So we will talk about the culture of Rajasthan. What is the capital of Rajasthan? You all know it's Jaipur. Okay, so let's talk about the people. So there is very less water in Rajasthan, which makes life very hard. पानी कम होता है तो दिक्कत बहुत ज़्यादा आती है. There is a shortage of water everywhere, and they can find water where in wells, oases, and oasis पे भी मिल जाए water, and there are some that we call, so they get water where they get water from oases and from wells and from bavlis or bavdis. Have you ever heard this name? If you haven't, it is available in villages. Okay, because our locality do not have scarcity of water. We have enough water, but some places women have to walk far kilometers to fill the water. See, these women are going to fill water and carrying pots on their head. Why they are doing so? Because water is not available. You can see the dry land of desert. कितना सूखा है यहाँ पर. So they are walking miles and miles, kilometers and kilometers to fill the water. Okay, and they get water from where? From oases, from wells, and from bavlis or bolis, which are natural springs, by walking kilometers. You understand it? So there is very scarcity of water. You must save water. It's easily available for us, but not for all of us. Okay, so where they are getting water from? They are getting from oases, wells, and bavlis. Okay, now let's talk about their houses in which they live. We talk about their life is very hard because of less water. Now we'll talk about the houses in which they live. Okay, so it's very hot in Rajasthan. So what they are doing, they are making thick walls. Thick walls they are making. मोटी दीवारें वो बनाते हैं. Why? To keep their house cool. To keep their house cool. They making the roof thatched roof. Thatched मतलब जो किससे बनी हो? Grass और straws से बनी हो, और उसके ऊपर वो क्या लगाते हैं? And they are coating and covering it with mud. Have you seen a mud house ever? I think you have seen. आपने देखा होगा villages में people क्या करते हैं? In villages what they are doing? They are making houses covered with mud. वो अपने house के ऊपर mud लगाते हैं. क्यों? Why they are doing so? Because their house will remain cool from inside. Okay, not everybody is using ACs. There are some people who are living in villages. They are doing this. So, which kind of house they are living in? Which have thick walls covered with grasses and straws and coated with mud. Okay, so this is about the houses. Houses have thick walls and covered with, and their roof and walls covered with mud and grasses. So now let's talk about these kind of people. Have you seen this woman? This woman is wearing a very different attire. Okay, so let's learn about something. Let's learn something about her. So here we go. People used to move from place to place in search of food and water. They are called nomads. Okay, because very less water is available, very less food is available. हम पानी से ही तो खेती करते हैं. पानी नहीं होगा तो खेती कहाँ से होगी? So people in Rajasthan, what they do? Desert places people, they move from one place to another. And the people who used to move from one place to another in search of food and water, they are called nomads. Okay? And especially if we talk about Rajasthan, the nomads of the Thar desert are called Banjaras. What they are called? Banjara. Banjara मतलब जिसका कोई proper place ना हो, जो इधर से उधर घूमता रहता है. For what? In search of food and water. So see this woman, she is in Banjara community, and their community used to go from one place to another in search of what? Food and water to get their living. They also show you some kind of Katputli show and all. They all belongs to this community. So we have learned all about the people of Rajasthan. We have learned that they are facing very much problem about water and where they are getting water from. We have learned about their houses, and we have learned about the Banjaras also. Okay, now let's learn about the ship of the desert. Do you know, students, which animal is known as the ship of the desert? You have already read, it's written here. It's camel. We all know that. So yet now we have roads everywhere from going one place to another, but still people are using camels in desert area. Why people are using camels in desert area? Because camel can bear lot of heat. Camel बहुत सारी heat बर्दाश्त कर लेता है, and camel can live in very less food and water for days. We know that camel take a lot of amount of food and water and then move in desert very easily. And it can keep what we can say, that it can carry people and carts with it. People also rear camel for milk and meat, and after the camel die, they made bags, belt and shoes of camel skin. So there are so many use of camel. Okay, once we can go from one place to another with the help of camel easily, because they have power to move in desert. They can bear heat. Their legs do not go inside the sand like us. Okay, so that is why camel is known as the ship of the desert. And when camel dies, we use camel skin for making bags, belts and shoes. People also rear camel for milk and meat. So still there are roads we are using camels from traveling one place to another. Not we, it's many people. So this is all about the ship of the desert. I know many students already know about this. So let's talk about the dresses. Okay, so people of Rajasthan wear colorful dresses, as you have seen the picture before that. Okay, see, very colorful dresses, red color only, and very more jewelry she is wearing. Okay, so people of Rajasthan wear colorful dresses. Women wear what? Ghagra, choli and odhni. What is odhni? Odhni is wear to cover their head. If we talk about this, okay, this picture, this is ghagra, this is ghagra, this is choli, and the odhni is on her head. Okay, so generally people of women wear this. And what men wear? Men wear dhoti and angrakha kurtas and turbans. What are turbans? Turbans are, we can say, pagdi in Hindi. So men are wearing simple white dhotis but colorful kurtas and turbans. So these are the dresses of Rajasthan: ghagra, choli and odhni. And men wear dhoti, angrakha kurta and turbans. And let's talk about the language. People used to speak generally Hindi and Rajasthani in Rajasthan. Okay, you have also seen that people generally speak these two languages in our state. Now we talk about the festivals. What festivals we are celebrating in Rajasthan? First one is Gangor. Do you know what is Gangor Puja? Ask your mother, she will tell you better. Okay, Gangor, then Teej, Holi, Dashera, Diwali, Eid and many more. But they are the most important: Gangor, Teej, Holi, Dashera, Diwali, Eid. Okay, there are many more. And now let's talk about the Pushkar fair. There is one picture in front of the chapter. Okay, this picture is of Pushkar fair. Pushkar का मेला. It is famous worldwide. ये पूरी दुनिया में famous है. Okay, and Pushkar Mela is famous for many things, like for handicrafts, shoppings, and instead it is famous for some other things also, like camel race, cockfight, and matka ford. Okay, so these kind of thing is also available in Pushkar Mela. If you ever get a chance to visit it, don't miss it. Go and visit. It's a very big and vast fair. You'll enjoy it. Okay, so now we have learned about the dresses, the languages, and the festivals. Now we will learn about the occupation, as farming is also an important occupation where water is available. जहाँ पर पानी अवेलेबल है वहाँ फार्मिंग भी होती है. लाइक इन आवर स्टेट सवाई माधोपुर, फार्मिंग is also an important occupation because water is available here. In Savai Madhopur, Kota, Bundi, farming is main occupation because water of Chambal river is available. And important crops are millets, jowar, bajra. Okay, millets are jowar and bajra basically. Other crops are also grown here like rice, wheat, barley, but jowar and bajra are the main. And what is other than farming is cattle rearing. Cattle rearing like sheep, camel, goat, buffaloes, for milk and meat. Afterwards, one of the most important occupation is handicraft. You know what is handicraft? The things are made with hands. Rajasthan is famous for handicrafts worldwide. So let's see the pictures which is available in your book. Okay. So see, you can see the beautiful mirror work in these lehengas, and Rajasthan is famous for these handmade things. Okay, what is basically famous in our state is its marble inlay work, stone carving, block printing, bandhni zari, gota, kinri, and kundan, meenakari jewelry. So I'll show you 1 and 2 pictures which is also available in your book. First, I will show you what is kundan work. It is basically a jewelry. See, you can see this beautiful jewelry. Rajasthan is famous for this kundan work. Worldwidely, not in India only. It is famous in worldwide. And see, this is bandhni work. See, this is the bandhni work. You can see this picture on page number 38. And there are many more pictures. You explore them. Okay, that is your homework. You explore them, Google it, all the work. Google all the things which is written over here, like what is block printing. Okay, bandhni I already told you. What is gota? Okay, what is meenakari jewelry? So we have learned. You will explore them, and I will also tell you. So from now onwards, we will learn in our new video and read up to here. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can kindly ask. Okay, bye bye.